Hey there, everyone. It's Jocelyn. Today we're going to do another fun makeup video, but instead of makeup therapy, today we're going to be talking about confidence. And what freaking better to use for confidence than a palette that is like ridiculously bold and crazy? The Bloodlust palette. I'm so excited about this at the launch, and it finally came in, and I'm here for it. So let's do some confidence eye look today. Oxford Dictionary. Confidence. The feeling or belief that one can rely on someone or something. Firm trust. Confidence is difficult, man. Confidence is a tricky beastie. We're in extremely fading light because I'm filming this in the evenings. So, oh gosh, and I can't see because I didn't put contacts in. Let's see. I could go subtle or I could go bold. I'm going to a birthday party tonight. So I could do either and not feel super crazy, which is awesome. I'm not going to swatch because like everyone and their mother has swatched already. I'm gonna need more light. Oh, biscuit, I'm gonna need more light. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with doing a little bit of dungeon, and I'm gonna do it up in the crease. Confidence. A feeling of self-assurance arising from one's appreciation of one's abilities or qualities. Because sometimes, when you don't feel confident, when you feel as though you don't trust your abilities to do something, you feel like you're in a dungeon with no light out, no key to unlock yourself, and it's a deep, dark place, just like the crease. It's a little bit better. Okay. Cool. Lighting has been double checked. Confidence is a dungeon. Sometimes we feel like we're the ruler of that dungeon. Sometimes we feel like we are the Blood Queen, which is the next shade. Confidence. A secret or private matter told to someone under a condition of trust. We feel like we have all of the power. We can blend it out. We can control what's happening. Ooh, that's pretty. And we don't have to fear the darkness. Like, yeah, there are tricky parts in life, but we know we have just enough skills in our arsenal to kind of be able to tackle those problems head on. Let's see, I got light purples in my outfit, so maybe if I do some Scandal water. I got a fuzzy on my brush. Confidence. The state of feeling certain about the truth of something. While sometimes we feel like we're in the dungeon, sometimes we feel like we rule, sometimes we also feel like we're faking it. Imposter syndrome, all that jazz. We feel like we're not really supposed to be where we are, and we're a scandal waiting to happen. So I'm putting some Scandal water under my under eye there. So I got my Scandal water under. Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm gonna go a little in the inside on the upper corner too. Because sometimes it even affects our moments when we feel like we're on the top, you know? We feel like we're on the top, and we also at the same time feel like we shouldn't be on the top. Creeping in to our confidence. Sometimes it's not just full blown. Confidence. The telling of private matters or secrets with mutual trust. Ooh, that's kind of fun. Hopefully this doesn't turn out just like one big black eye. That would be sad. I gotta say, putting these over top, they are blending well together, but also the areas where I have just a little bit of color and I don't really want the base color to show through as much. It's not like I have to take it off in order to see the color that I want there, which is good. Kind of galaxy-ish, which fits my shirt today. Got our imposter syndrome, right? We have all of this stuff built up. We have all of these talents built up, and sometimes we feel really good until we share something with somebody else. Like, we tell somebody something in confidence, right? And then it becomes more tricky. because it starts to feel like it's less our secret, and now that we've shared it with somebody, somebody else is kind of responsible for our secret as well. Whatever your secret may be, confidence is hard. Sometimes when we don't have somebody to confide in or somebody just to help boost us back up, we spiral out of our confidence. We just go down this path of, ooh, oh, sorry, I got distracted by this color. Probably should be using a primer to do this, or like a little bit of remover, just to get a nice clear. It's not even necessary to use water with these, but I'm doing it because I'm not using a cover up underneath. I don't know what I'm doing with this. I guess we'll see what I'm doing with this in a minute. Maybe it'll come off, but it's okay because confidence makes us feel empowered to make mistakes, right? Like, we can make mistakes because we trust ourselves to be able to get out of them. Ooh, that's kind of fun. Taking risk allows us to find new patterns to things that we might have been hiding from, right? Taking risk can be very, very helpful to find new paths out of situations that we haven't previously been out of before. Oh, I've done a lot of purple and pink looks before. This one's looking pretty awesome though. I might have to go in and darken up my dungeon a little bit. Because you know, just when you think you're out of the dungeon, you get pulled back in again. And also, if we didn't have those dark moments, we wouldn't be able to find the light moments. We wouldn't be able to see that contrast and understand when the good times are. But the key for that is recognizing when those good times are there and not just saying, well, I'm going to have a dark moment and giving up on it, right? We have to understand that we are complex beings constantly in different states of stuff, you know? And it's really important to give yourself credit when it happens. Ooh. Okay, wet jewel. Here we go. I might add a little bit of water to this because I just made my other thing look so... Oh, maybe I don't need to. I'm gonna do it anyway. Because I made that one part look so... Oop, I'm spraying my cat with water. Sorry, Andrea. I made that one area pop so much by doing that. I'm just gonna... Oh, so pretty. Oh, man. I haven't had this many purples, like, ever in my eyeshadow collection. So it's kind of just beautiful. Oh! Recognize the highs, the lows, when you have it good. Because otherwise, you get really caught up in those down moments, and it's like hard to pull yourself out of it. So recognize when you're having a high point and understand that stuff is cyclical. You might have a downturn again. It doesn't mean that it's going to be as bad as previous downturns have been. You just know that it might happen, and it's okay if it does happen. Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty. Going back in and just kind of trying to figure out what I'm doing with this area. Sometimes, even though we like a thing, we just want to flesh it out and make it look that much nicer. I don't know. I don't know if that's nicer, but it's a thing. It's a look. I'm starting to run out of brushes because I'm playing too much. Oh, yeah. You see that sparkle? Oh. So, yeah, check on the good times, check on the bad times. Like, understand that if you have felt bad, you've probably also felt good. And if you have felt good, you've probably also felt bad. You can get out of it, and you can feel something else. You are not only ever going to feel that way. And sometimes it involves taking risks, and sometimes it involves stepping lightly outside of your comfort zone to get there. Beauty sleep helps. That's what I'm putting currently on my brow bone, because why not add just more glitter, right? I haven't added enough glitter to this look. I'm gonna go to this birthday party and they're gonna be like, why are you super purple today? And I'm gonna be like, because I felt like it. Because you know what? You're allowed to feel like it. You are allowed to feel however you want to feel. It's just about how you execute it with other people that's important, really. I think I need to go in with some Dungeon under that eye too a little bit. Whew, I found a brush I haven't used. Now I'm going to use it for the same color. Alright, I'm just going to kind of darken up some of that area that I put that Scandal water in. Because guess what? Contrast is important. Feeling sad is as important as feeling happy. When it starts to get way out of balance, when we get into like depression and things, it can be really, really difficult. And I don't have a whole lot of advice for getting out of that except for talk to a professional, somebody who can guide you through it. Just know that life is cyclical and you will have down spouts and you will have down moments and you will have positive moments. Just because you're in a down moment now does not mean you will always be in a down moment. And I think that is really, wow, I am a little bit uneven right now. Okay, so let's go back in. Where did I put, oh, I can use this for that. Lady, don't jump on my ankle. Right, we go back in and we can fix things. Nothing is permanent. We can always fix things to help get us along. A lot of people freak out and think that once they feel a certain way or once they do something, then they're stuck. It's not the case. We can always work on ourselves and work to become a better version of ourselves. Oh, we're getting some serious lighting things here. Sorry if this is like, you can just see my eyes right now and you can't see the makeup. I'm not mad about it exactly because like, dang, look at that. You are a gorgeous bean. Don't let yourself be mean to yourself. It happens sometimes. It does. You don't have to be mean to yourself. Do a little beauty sleep down here too. Sleep is important. I don't use falsies, but this look feels like I should be using falsies. This makes me happy. This makes me very happy. I didn't even use Betrayal either, or Pink Magic. Or Vivid Mood. Didn't use Vivid. Surprised I didn't use Vivid Mood, actually. Huh. What do you know? Alright. I'm gonna put some eyeliner on real quick. You are a beautiful being. You are a beautiful human being. And a bean. Cute, adorable, wonderful, great for passing things through and letting things move on. High in fiber. Wonderfully complex in its own way. You are a wonderful human being, even if you don't feel like it, even if your makeup's only half done, or you only feel half baked, or you only feel half confident, or you feel like you're hiding, or you feel like you shouldn't be where you are. It doesn't mean other people don't see you as an inspiration. It doesn't mean that other people don't see you as a way out. And that is not to say that you need to hold up that facade always. No, by no means do you have to pretend you're okay when things aren't okay. But understand that the same thing you look for in others, you give to other people too. Keep being positive. Keep passing on that wonderful energy that you have to other people. That brightness, that light, that love inside yourself. Keep sharing it with the world, because the more you share it with other people, the more it comes back to you. I'm gonna finish this eye though real quick. Give me a sec. Even if you feel goofy while making the eyeliner face, you're still cool. People do it, and your process may be different than somebody else's process. Doesn't make it any less valid. Confidence is trust in yourself. Trust yourself, right? Some eyebrows in here. Just keep in mind when Jeffree Star was feeling like crap and down on his luck and in a financial pickle and just in a rut, he ended up putting his money into something that he was really passionate about, something he could have fun with, and something that even if it failed, he felt good about trying. We got to take a lesson from that. Sometimes even when we don't feel confident, there are ways to help us get that back if we just take the steps to do it. Find things you're passionate about. Go forward. Hang out with people who spread that light back and share that light with you and help you feel good about yourself. Share with other people. Help other people. Helping other people, for some reason, just makes you feel like you can do anything. Like if you can cause somebody else joy, you can let that joy infect yourself too. You can have that joy within your own heart. It's something that's really, really cool about sharing with other people. Rollerball mascara. Or roller lash. Whatever the thing is. Not being as successful doing this with both hands as I was last time. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Thinking about using the Katy Perry lip color with this. It's gonna be really purple, but I think it'll be okay. Ooh. I know what'll make this better. And look at that. That could be considered a mistake. You can start to do something and not feel good about it. But let's fix it. Let's make it better. Looking weird, right? Looking weird. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm so gonna regret using this with the black eyeliner. That's just what this black eyeliner is, because I don't have black lip liner. Definitely smells lightly Play-Doh-esque. It's definitely the liquid lip. Ooh, I could do... Oh no. This is LA Colors Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss. And then Katy Perry's CoverGirl Katy Cat Gloss in Pounce. Alright, I get to do some photos for you guys. Let's move you over. And you can't even see Ladybird because of the lighting. Alright guys, thank you so much for following along with me today. I hope that our talk on confidence helped you find your confidence. And yeah, sometimes I pump up my confidence a little extra with some fun makeup. Because guess what? You do not have to manufacture confidence on your own. Sometimes we need confidence from outside sources. For me, that's makeup sometimes. For other people, it might be clothes. For other people, it might literally just be hanging out with your best friend. So we find those coping mechanisms, right? And we build off of it. Oh gosh, I have to put contacts in now. Because I can't hide this behind glasses. Like, it's just gonna tone it all down, and I'm loving this. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be fun. All right, I gotta tell ya that I hope to see you here next Thursday. I post videos every Thursday here at Humble Pie Productions. Sometimes they're makeup videos, sometimes they're not makeup videos. Today happened to be another makeup video because how can I not do makeup videos when I have a new palette? Like, how can I not? Oh, it's just fun. So I hope to see you here next time. Please like this video. Comment on if you use something as a confidence boost when you're feeling in a rut. Comment on what you think my look turned out to be, if you like it or not, or if you would change something about it. I'm going slightly like Punk-Witchy with it. Why not have fun? Why not live life to the fullest, right? Alright, hit that subscription button, check out some other videos, and I look forward to seeing you back here at a different day. Alright, Ladybird, do you want to say bye to them? Alright, ready?